This is a quick guide to isolating a backhoe loader ready for servicing or general maintenance. Ensure the machine is positioned on firm level ground. Check there is no spoil left in the front loading bucket. Any residue poses a risk during maintenance as it could become dislodged. Release the manufacturer's safety prop and place it on the ground safely so that it will not cause a slip, trip or fall hazard. When accessing the machine, ensure that you have 3 points of contact. And during machine operation, please remember to wear your seatbelt. Start the machine, check your mirrors and for overhead obstructions, and then raise the front loading bucket. Turn off the ignition and isolate the machine. Install the manufacturer's safety prop, ensuring that it is in the correct position. Return to the cab using 3 points of contact and don't forget your seatbelt. Lower the front loading bucket onto the manufacturer's safety prop. Isolate the machine ready for maintenance in accordance with manufacturer's recommendations and our company RAMs. On exiting the cab, do a visual check that the prop is in position. The machine is now ready for servicing or general maintenance.